Shangri-La Mactan. Welcome to Punta Inganyo. And that's the moving peak. Moving peak. And we are going to that area, Aruga. That's the moving peak. Moving peak. And this will be soon the Cebu Business Park of Punta Inganyo, the Sea Grove. So there are lots of development in that area. Abaca. Abaca Resort. Still ongoing construction. And the B Mactan. And beside the B is the Chatu by the sea. Chatu by the sea. And you have commercial area there. It's new. And this one is Palm Beach. Palm Beach. And here is the Sheraton. Beside Sheraton Cebu Mactan. And this is the Aruga. That's the Aruga. Aruga. And this is the Aruga. The Garden of Aruga. That's the Aruga building. We will park land there. Where we can park? Here or here there. Can we park here? This is the model unit of the Rockwell here in Punta Inganyo. And this is a 3-bedroom model units. All of the 3 bedrooms of this tower is already sold, but this will be served as the model unit for the next tower, which is the phase 2 or the tower 2 of the Aruga. And I want to bring you here because this is like giving you on how you decorate or how you interior the Aruga unit that you are going to buy. So if you are going to buy here in Tower 1, which is already for occupancy, ready for occupancy units, we only have 1 bedrooms and penthouse. And this one is 3 bedrooms, 166 square meters. And I will show you this penthouse. So this is the entrance of the unit. And beside here, and it looks like you have a mirror, but actually this is you can use this one because this mirror here is hiding a washer and dryer, and you have that, and it's torn. And here is you have a powder room, like it's wall, but you can push this and you have your powder room here. And you have here your maid's room, and this maid's room comes with their own toilet and bathroom. You have here the room for your helper, and she has her own toilet and bathroom. And this is a 3-bedroom model unit. This is already sold. All of the 3 bedrooms in this Aruga tower is already sold, but I want to show you lang this unit. It will give you an idea on how the 3 bedrooms or the units in Aruga, because this Aruga is a beachfront community. And you have here your kitchen And all the things that you can see in this kitchen, the mobile house cabinet, the refrigerator, the oven, the cooktop, they are all included if you are going to buy this particular unit. And all but the finishings here, they are not included. These are Amato finishings. Amato, if you are familiar with Amato. And this is the living area of the unit. The living area direct to the balcony. And that's going to the bedroom, but I will show you first this master's bedroom here. This is the main bedroom of this condo unit, 3-bedroom condo unit of the Aruga. And from this main bedroom, you have the view of the Sheraton. That's the Sheraton Hotel. That's the Sheraton Hotel, and the Sheraton Villas are there, and the Sheraton Residences. Can we try to the Sheraton Hotel and the Sheraton Villas and the Sheraton Residences. And this is the main bedroom of this Aruga 3-bedroom unit, and you have there the ocean, but later we will check that view when we go to the balcony of this unit. And you have here the toilet and bathroom, and we will go to that toilet and bathroom. You have your closet, walk-in closet, and here is your toilet and bathroom. And what you can see in this toilet and bathroom are all included if you are going to buy this finishing, the toilet. So they are all included. This is the finishing of the bathroom, including this one, the shower, the bathtub. They are all included. And let's go to the other bedrooms. And this is the living area of the unit. Your kitchen, the entrance of the unit, and here you have here the what the good thing with this Aruga units. This is like very new to me, because all of the condo in Cebu, even those some high-end condo in Cebu, they don't have this one. They provide like the centralized, every unit you have this one, the heater, the centralized heater. And here is the second bedroom of the 3-bedroom unit, and you have your toilet and bathroom with a nice view also of the ocean. And let's go to the other bedroom, and this is the last bedroom. It comes also with the own toilet and bathroom. And that's the view of the ocean below. We cannot see because it's tinted. So if you are looking for a condo like this, high-end condo here in Punta Engaño, and this one is highly recommended, developed by Rockwell. And this is we only have 1 bedrooms and penthouse available in this building. However, pre-selling in Tower 2 is now selling also, and we have 3 bedrooms there. So thank you. I will bring you sa another day balcony. That's the Sheraton, and this is the villas of the Aruga. That's the model unit before, and that's the wide stand, 270 meters wide beach frontage of the Aruga. And the total development of this project is around 5.2 hectares with Aruga Hotel and 2 residential towers. So this will, where's the restaurant gani ma'am? The high-end restaurant?
Here and then inside.
So there will be like 2 high-end restaurant.
Yes.
All the they can go inside man no, sa
They can go inside.
so that will be the the hotel. It's really high-end. And here will be the central swimming pool no. They can also use that,
But with payment.
the residents.
Yes.
Anyway, they have you
Yeah,
have
they
your
have their own pool.
private pool man here.
Yes.
And I will bring you there later. And this is the White Sand Beach. 200, as Ma'am Altia mentioned, 270 meters. So that's it, sir. I will ano you the point the penthouse day. So we are as she said, we are now here. And this is the entrance of Aruga is there, no?
Yes.
And the entrance of hotel is here. So this is the Punta Engaño Road here. And this is the entrance of Aruga. And we go straight going this is the entrance of Tower 1, di ba?
Yes, that's the
And this one the entrance of the hotel.
Yes.
And the penthouse, your penthouse, which is the biggest penthouse, is this one. So this is the biggest penthouse here, Max. So if you see the video, there are 2 pools below. So these are the 2 pools. It's on the 21st floor. And you are on the 22nd floor. And this one is around 115
for the
meters.
outdoor deck. So inside, it's 292 square meters inside the actual unit. And then outside, that's an additional 115 square meters.
Which is,
So in total, this would be at around 400.
so he is not paying the 115, right?
He's not paying for the 100.
Even the pool.
Yes, that's right.
See, it's really a good ano. So that's it, Sir Max. So I will bring you to the pool. This is the pool used by the residents of the Tower 1. So we are now on the function room. We will bring you to the pool. Thank you, ma'am. And this is your pool. Ay, not your pool. The common pool used by all the residents. Can I go to the beach? Ako na siguro, init ra ba? Wala natin payong? Okay ra nimo? So look at the landscaping, sir. Mas high-end kayo.
Even the pavement.
Sa una kaya sa matong payag nga old ganin hato diri no?
Kani, o ka na.
Oo. Wala nindo ta diri. Naa pa lang ko million. Nagpalit man sa kukuno pero dili lang high-end.
Diba?
Di pa ko ka-afford nga. Ka-remember ko diri sa nagparty man diri dako kay moon ba. Diri man ko sa unang picture.
Oh, awa, inani na siya karon.
Lagi. Ka naman ang model, that's a model unit, the villa. And that's the building.
Yeah, this one is si tawag ano?
And this is the beach.
Kuan ni siya, low tide.
Low tide. So ang high tide, natabunan ang white sand.
Yes. I have the rocks.
Ang rocks ra. Paspasa sa panahon, no? Nakaanak mo ko di. Nakaanak mo ko din sa. Di pag bisita ako sa una kay wala ano gyud na diya ka nang
Wala pa na, yuta pa na.
oh.
Manang ano sir, daghan mo salig ni Rockwell kay yuta pagod.
Ano man gyud si Rockwell good ilado. Ay dili ilado ka nang high end man gyud si Rockwell good.
is our beach. Kana mo continue pa mi og feel sa sand. Ang going pa na ang sand.
Asa tong marina? Gidayon ba tong marina? Ay, ang katong...
Temporary lang ni siya, sir.
Okay, katong dong kaanan.
Temporary pa na.
Watan ako diya, mama.
Sige.
Kainit ra ba? Wala na laing sa kanan diri no? Kay puros man na villa diya no? At maato lang ko sa kabila usa lang. So I am now in Aruga. This is the beach of Aruga, and that's the tower 1 of the Aruga. And all of there are stairs there, and all of those stairs are the access going to the villas of Aruga. And as you can see, there is a barrier there. Coming from that barrier is going here. It's about 270 meters wide of the beachfront of the Aruga. So currently, this is already the beach front of the Aruga, developed by Rockwell here in Punta Inganyo. And you can see the tower A of Aruga there, and the land development of the hotel, and the tower 2 of the Aruga. So the beach front is coming from this side here. Let's go. Let's go, ma'am.
For your reference, sir, the beachfront of Sheraton is 130
Yeah.
meters. So this is twice as big.
Guys, pero sa una kay dili man to siya 270 dapat, di ba ano ra siya gi-extend. Gi-extend siya kay 100 meters. Sakto ba ko?
So, mas nag-una pa kaana no ko diri, sir.
Oo. Kay before magud kani mag nice kayo na siya kabaski ka na pala sa una, nice na kayo.
Times is barato.
Well, barato ang pila pagud tong ano ang bila. Pila tong bila sa una ha? 40 kapin. Nya antod na abot og 80. 120. Let's go back na. Okay. This is the villa. So we can go inside the villa? Amo ba? Okay. Anyway, this is owned by Rockwell man. No?
This is on the Rockwell.
But it's not for sale pa.
Will not sell you, sir.
Oo. This is the villa.
Okay, you go.
Yeah, go ahead. Nakatin mo kung party dito sa una gud.
Pwede naman sila. Have a seat, sir. American coffee.
Ay, dili ako, ma'am. Ay, tubig lang, tubig. Palihog.